Hey guys, just want to do a quick little review on a new knife I picked up the other day. Very low cost knife. Got it from Lowe's actually. It is the Onyx Everyday Carrier EDC. Razor Light EDC. This thing was only 20 bucks. And the unique thing about it is that it has replaceable blades on it. It comes with a razor sharp scalpel blade. I was skeptical at first, like, man, that's not going to be worth crap, you know. It's going to be cheap, it's going to break. I've been carrying it for about a week now. Yeah, it's light. It's called Grivery or Grivery handle. It's just your hard plastic's what it is. It's got a pretty robust locking mechanism. I mean, she snaps in there pretty good and stuff. The blades are made out of 420 J2 stainless replacement razor blades, excuse me. And it came with 3. And they're selling packs of 3 for like $6. So I mean, for $26, you can have a knife that's going to last, a razor sharp knife that's going to last a long, long time. And I've used this thing now for a week. I'll tell you what, there's the instructions for it. This thing is absolutely razor freaking sharp. Razor sharp, man. I've already skinned my arm a few times. I don't know if you see it in this camera or not. Yeah. Bare. There goes. It's not a bushcraft knife by no means. It's just a great everyday carry, super razor sharp knife. I mean, you can carve with it, make feather sticks. I mean, it digs deep. I mean, it digs pretty damn deep. For the money, how can you beat it, man? I mean, 20 bucks for something that's razor sharp. Got the thumb studs, as you can see right there, for opening, but you know, I've tried the quick opening on it and one-handed opening, and it's not that quick. But that's not what it's designed for. It's just an everyday carry, razor sharp knife. And here's how remove the blades. It's got a little a push button right here. Push that button, blade comes out right there. Stick it right back in there. Push that button, locks it in. Rock solid, razor sharp. This would be great for gutting deer, you know, skinning deer, or any kind of game animal. Sucker's bad, man. Well worth the money. I say pick it up, and I'll give it a thumbs up, man. Give it a try. And I believe, according to the package here, it's outdoor edge knife, so it says it's made in Georgia. Where we go there? Yeah. It's Japanese steel, but I believe it's made in Georgia. So, oh, excuse me, Denver, Colorado. My bad. It's late. Denver, Colorado. Still Japanese steel is much more desirable than Taiwan or Chinese steel. So there you go, guys. A little quick review of this knife here, the Onyx EDC. I say check it out. Bark out.